Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm reviewing very famous viral one most talked about setting spray on social media. I'm going to speak about this makeup setting spray which is pretty much staple in my vanity. I use it in almost all of my tutorials. I have recommended this product a lot. A lot in past, and I'm talking about NYX long lasting setting spray. This is not sponsored video or a PR product. They won't reply to my email, but you get the gist. All honest review on this channel. I'm going to tell you all the details about this setting spray and also do a little wear taste so that you get to know how long the makeup lasts with this particular product. The price point is quite affordable as well, and the best thing is this product is vegan, cruelty free. This setting spray comes in two variant. One of this setting spray is dewy setting spray and another one is matte setting spray. If you have dry skin, you can definitely consider their dewy setting spray, and if you have oily skin, then you can consider getting their matte setting spray. I have combination skin leaning towards oily, so that's why I love using their matte setting spray. A really good thing about this setting spray is that it is not just a makeup setting spray. It can actually be used for a lot of different makeup hacks. I'm going to show you some of my favorite ones. It can be used on your skin before applying any makeup on your beauty blender to make your base extra long lasting. It can also be used on a spoolie of your eyebrow pencil to keep your eyebrows intact for a long time. Now this is my favorite one. I love to use it with my eyeshadow brushes to make the shimmery eyeshadows and a lot of different eyeshadows pop on my eyelids. And the same hack can be applied on highlighter as well to get a blinding highlight. And of course, I love to use it as my last step in my makeup routine. It gives a very beautiful matte finish. It keeps my makeup intact for a long time and it's just so comfortable on the skin. I'm going to show you something. I'm going to do a little swatch of lipstick and a swatch of an eyeshadow on back of my hands, and next I'm going to spray a little bit of makeup fixing spray on one of my hand and not on the other hand, and then we are going to compare. Okay, I'm just going to let it dry. Alright, so now this side which had makeup fixing spray has dried up completely. Now let's smudge. This is not really smudging. There is a minor smudge in lipstick, I think. Not really smudge, but yeah. But eyeshadow is completely intact. See, I'm putting pressure. Now let's check the other side. Oh, you can clearly see that one hand where I did spray my makeup fixing spray, things are intact, and the lipstick had minor smudge and the eyeshadow is, as it is, it did not move. Now on the other hand, everything has completely smudged. One thing about this product that I do not like is that it sprays quite big droplets. It's not very fine spray that you get from like PAC and high-end. I know a lot of people prefer micro spray technologies nowadays, and there are lots of even drugstore brands are doing that in India. MAC is one of the brand that has micro spray, so that's one of the drawback or cons of this product. Now we've come to the weirdest bit. I'm going to spray this makeup spray in front of you guys, and then I'm going to give you an update after every few hours. Let's see, I'll give you one or two updates. This makeup setting spray, you have to keep it at a distance for about like 6 inches, and then just spray it on your face like this. it does not
taste good, so
The makeup fixer has dried up completely. It's given me very nice, smooth, velvety finish. Now let's put this to a taste. I'm going to give you an update in about 3 or 4 hours. I still have few more review videos to. Hey guys, so it's been little over 3 hours and I thought I'll give you a little update. I finished up a little bit of work and I ate a bit as well. But yeah, the important thing is it just have like a look at my makeup. So everything in it it's placed except my lipstick because I did eat something oily, so a bit of my lipstick did fade off on the corners, but my eyeshadow and my base, everything is in place. So this is 2 hours, almost 3 hours now, actually 3 hours. Yeah, what time is it? Exactly 3 hours. I'm going to taste this spray out for maybe 3 or 4 more hours and then give you my final thoughts on it. I'm just gonna go make dinner now. So this is the final update. It's been almost 7 hours since I had this makeup on and I've done a lot of work in between. I did not touch up my makeup even once, not even my lipstick. In fact, the update which I gave you earlier, I did eat something oily and the lipstick did fade off, as you can see. And I did not touch up my lipstick either. I did eat a lot of more things later. So this is how my lipstick is looking right now. And I just smudged on the corner, faded off a little from the lips, but my base is absolutely fine. The foundation has not moved. My hand still intact, you see. And I mean, little cracks on my around my nose, but that always happens. I mean, that part of my face is very animated. When you speak, smile, cringe, the cringe is something I do a lot during any social interaction. So yeah, that was going to happen no matter what you use. But that's the update. The eye makeup is intact. I am so impressed by this. It's always been one of my favorite and you can always find it in my vanity. So it's one of those things I keep repurchasing again and again, and this product retails for 875 rupees and you get 60 ml a product. The price point is affordable. It is actually going to last you really long time. I've been using this product for about 2-3 months now and I still have lot to finish. Also, it's available on Nykaa, Purple, yeah, and Foxy. So and I use it daily. You're not going to use it daily, so it's probably going to last you about a year. Highly recommended. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, then please subscribe. I mean, why are you doing this to me? I am putting out content every day, researching so much, risking my skin. Please subscribe. I shall see you in my next one. Stay safe, take care of yourself, wear a mask, don't forget to subscribe because it's free and you can always change your mind later. So once again, subscribe. Bye.